For a ridiculously long time, I thought about doing this, but I've always hesitated because I always make too much money from this course selling it to my existing students. But I'm going to be completely transparent with you today because I believe in trust and integrity and transparency, because I'm going to have a lot of people wondering why I'm actually giving my complete beginner WordPress and Elementor course away for free. So I also don't want to dilute the value of this, because generally when you give something away for free, people that sign up for that generally perceive that as low value. Now, this course that I am going to give you for free today for a limited time only is not low value. I have literally taught over 10,000 students how to become proficient with WordPress and Elementor using this course. So students of mine have taken this and have gone on to be able to build beautiful websites simply from taking this 17-hour course. One thing that I do want to mention is, for complete transparency, the reason I am giving this to you today for free isn't because I do not want to make money. It isn't because I have gone a little bit crazy and figured, hey, Rick, why not give away my best-selling course completely for free for a limited time only? It literally is, I want to introduce you guys to WordPress and Elementor. I want you guys to fall in love with WordPress and Elementor. I want you to fall in love with the way that I teach WordPress and Elementor. And I want you to go on and buy the rest of my WordPress and Elementor courses. It's as simple as that. I'm giving you this 17-hour course as a start to your WordPress and Elementor journey. Basically, in a nutshell, I have taught over 165 students how to become a self-employed freelancer, a WordPress developer that goes out there and makes money for themselves and can enjoy the freedoms that I have been enjoying now for the past 12 years. So I've been traveling around the world, working remotely from beaches, from beautiful 5-star hotels, from villas, around Thailand, Southeast Asia, South America, Europe, everywhere, you name it. I have had this freedom and living this lifestyle for the past decade now. So I have been sharing my experiences and skill sets for other people to do that as well. I want to show you how to do that and to get you started on that completely for free, just for you to test the water, see what you think of it, see what you think of me, see if you warm to my teaching style, is to give you this course completely for free. So somewhere down in the description of this video, I will link to a page where you can get this for free. Like I said, I sell this for, at the minute, I think it's up for $129 on my website, £129, sorry. It is the entry route into WordPress and Elementor. If you don't know WordPress or Elementor, this is going to be perfect for you. Even if you do know WordPress and Elementor but never really truly understood it properly, this course is going to show you everything you need to know. I'm going to give you that all for free. In return, you don't have to give me or do anything. If you want to learn that from start to finish and not pay a single penny, then you don't have to. If you complete that course and think, actually, you know what? This geezer really knows what he's talking about. I like the way that he teaches. I want him to show me more. Then I can show you more. And yes, I'm going to sell you that bit, but you don't have to buy it. That is the beauty. If you want to just then become advanced because you want to be able to build advanced websites, I have courses that can show you how to do that. If you want to do that and then go on like the 165 other students of mine that have gone on to become self-employed freelancers, then I can show you how to do that as well. You can decide. But for today, this is completely free. Click the link somewhere down in the description, grab it without pulling out your credit card, sign up on my website, you'll become a student, you'll get a couple of emails that come afterwards. I'll check in again probably in a couple of weeks' time. If you want to move on and learn more, then you can. If you want to call it a day and split ways with me, you also can do that. But just to show you, this is the website that we're building. This is the website that we're going to go on to build in this course. It's a multi-page website. It's a beautiful blog, loads of different features, blog post, everything else. Because blogging is how I got into this game. I monetized 10 affiliate blogs almost 10 years ago now, 7 of which I was running up until 3 years ago and was generating a passive stream of income. This is what I've been doing, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that as well. So if this is something you want, click the description, sign up for free, and I'll see you over there.